In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Slack Canvas. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find your existing canvases and how to create a new one so you can start organizing your notes, plans, and documentation right inside Slack. Let's start with how to view the canvases you already have access to. Open Slack on your desktop. On the left-hand side, you'll see your main sidebar with things like channels, direct messages, and a few other sections depending on how your workspace is set up. Look for the section labeled Files. If you don't see it right away, you might need to hover over the sidebar or scroll a little, especially if you're part of a busy workspace with lots of channels. Go ahead and click on Files. This opens a dedicated view where Slack groups together different types of content that are shared in your workspace. Once this Files view is open, pay attention to the left-hand pane. There you should see an option labeled Canvases. Click on Canvases and Slack will show you all the canvases you own, as well as any that have been shared with you or that you have permission to access. This is a central hub for all your canvases. From here, you can browse through the list, use the search bar if you're looking for something specific, and quickly jump into the canvas you need. It's especially helpful if you're working on ongoing projects, meeting notes, or shared documentation, because everything is kept together and easy to find. Now let's look at how to create a brand new canvas. Return to the main Slack window and focus again on the left-hand sidebar. Near the top, you'll see a Create New button, often represented by a small plus icon. Go ahead and click that. When you do, a menu will appear with different options for what you can create in Slack. From this menu, choose Canvas. Selecting Canvas will open a fresh, blank workspace where you can start typing notes, adding structure, and collaborating with teammates. At this point, you can give your canvas a clear title so it's easy to recognize later in your canvases list. Then you're ready to start using it for things like meeting agendas, project planning, or team documentation. And that's it. First, use Files and then Canvases in the sidebar to find existing canvases, and when you're ready to start something new, click Create New and select Canvas to get going.